Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transform images into videos using AI tools. In today's video, we choose to show you Pika Labs AI tools. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of how to import your data, create visualizations, and analyze your data. First, let's go to Chrome and search Pika. Then hit the first link. I'm currently use PC, but it is also available in phone. Then when you click Join Beta, it directly lead to Discord. I already opened Discord in browser, but you can download the app for PC or for phony app. And when you join, you must do some tasks like joining group and channel. I already do that, so let me show you the tasks. So you click Pika, and you can randomly select the generate choice. So for now, I choose 4 to create the video. We go to the chatting section and we write / then type create the. It automatically bring you prompt. Then you type whatever you want. For example, let type alien with their spaceship. As you can see, the username is Lil below. It takes some time, so we wait. Oh, what a cutie. Should I open it? Nah. Next time, as you can see, we have the image we want. But before I was making this video, I have to try it myself. And I tried on Generate 6, and it was much better than this. Anywho, let try other. Like, what if we want to turn
the image converting to video with chat program. Okay, let's do it. Let's try it. Noting new as before we say create and prompt. But the new thing here is, we click more than we select upload file. As you can see, this is the photo I choose. After we choose the image, we hit prompt and write what we want. Then the system will design it. Let's say I want the picture to be improved and add flame in the orange color and make the rocks move in 4 direction, and when I say rock I meant the gray color. I quote this and send it, but since it is a system it doesn't fully understand. But let's check it anyway. Okay, let's see. Whoa! What the fuck is that? It scared the shit out of me. Anyway, here it is Lil below, so we wait until it generates it. And here it is, guys. But I give it 50-50. But I think it is because of my word choice, so choose your word wisely. And as you see the other images, they are pretty cool and artistic, like this Buddha. And you can see others people art too if you want. So this is it for today, folks. Thank you for watching. I hope you will like it, and please at least give us a like. It's been a pleasure sharing this content with you guys. I will see you in the next one. Ciao!